Hi. If you're interested in introversion and how it plays out in the workplace, then this course that I've put together could well be a useful resource for you. It looks at introversion and quiet from a number of different angles. Firstly, it looks at the science and the facts and the figures around introversion and quiet and what we know, and it looks at a few of the myths around introversion, and we'll do a bit of myth busting. It also looks at handy tools and techniques and ways that you can help quiet people develop so that they can contribute fully in the workplace with confidence. And the third view really is looking at it from the point of view and interests of employers and managers and leaders who are working with quiet people in the first place. And the course just looks at a few alterations maybe that can be made to workplace culture and the way that things are organised so that introverts can be involved and empowered so that everybody gets the best out of their presence in the workplace. It's a really handy course, it's very practical and gives lots of guidance how things can be changed. There's a bit more written information available. If you'd like that, just follow the link below, or you can sign up for the course.